Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the Logitech G930. So there have been some problems with these headphones from Logitech. After Windows updates they kept disconnecting or cutting off the sound. This is very annoying when you're a gamer maybe to have your sound cut off or your headphones disconnected. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. First of all, make sure you have the Logitech gaming software. You go on Google or on Bing, whatever search engine you're using, search Logitech gaming software and then go into the first result. Maybe I'll leave you a link down below so you can get it from there. You download from here the latest version, click on download now, install it. It's very simple to install. And now once you have the Logitech gaming software, you have to go into this PC and then go into local disk C, program files, go to Logitech gaming software, then go to resources, and here search for your Logitech headphone version. So we're talking about the G930, so you select to double click on it on this folder, then go to manifest, and you have here a XML document device underscore manifest. So what you have to do with this document device manifest, right click on it and then go to copy and then go on your desktop and click on paste. So you have a copy of this document here on your desktop. Right click on the file that you have on your desktop and then click on open with in Notepad and you open it with Notepad. What you have to look for here in this code is this command, battery turn off interval 900. So this is an interval that will turn off your battery automatically after 900 seconds. If you don't find this that easily, maybe you can press Ctrl F and search for battery or turn and you will find it. So to fix the problem, just change the 900 value to 0, exit out of the notepad and click on save. And now you have your device manifest. If we open it again with Notepad, we can see that the value is changed and that is okay. Now all we have to do is to replace this file from the original manifest folder with this one. So with drag and drop, we're gonna move it and then replace it. Then continue and we replaced the file. That easy. If we open it with Notepad, you will see that this value is changed. Make sure the value is changed to 0 and your Logitech G930 should be fixed. They should not disconnect anymore or cut off the sound while gaming or while doing other stuff. So I'm hoping that this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below this video and also subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this one. It was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.